أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام ميم ذلك الكتاب لا ريب فيه هدى للمتقين. A glorious book, this, which has nothing of doubt in it. It's a guidance of the God, conscious who fear Allah. الذين يؤمنون بالغيب ويقيمون الصلاة ومما رزقناهم ينفقون. Those who believe in the unseen and establish prayer and spend in our way, out of what we have provided them. والذين يؤمنون بما أنزل إليك وما أنزل من قبلك وبالآخرة هم يوقنون. And those who believes in that which has been sent down to you, O my apostle, and in that which has sent down before you. And they also have inner convictions of the hereafter. أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون. They are the ones who are rightly guided. And really it is they who are successful in both the worlds. إن الذين كفروا سواء عليهم أنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون. Really, those who disbelieve of acceptance the true faith, it's all the same of them. Whether you forewarn, then are warned, them not, did not believe. صدق الله العظيم.